Students, now we are going to see the block diagram representation of continuous time system. Upon the completion of this block diagram representation, the students will be able to develop an LTI system in direct form to cascade and parallel form. LTI system: if a system has both the linearity and time invariant properties, then this system is called linear time invariant system or LTI system. This is a linear first order differential equation with constant coefficient assuming A and B. Here dy of t by dt minus a y of t equal to bx of t, the general nth order linear differential equation with a constant equation is a naught y of t plus a1 dy of t by dt plus etc. up to a n minus 1 d power n minus 1 y of t by dt power n minus 1 plus a n d power n y of t by dt power n, that is equal to b naught x of t plus b1 dx of t by dt plus etc. up to b m minus 1 into d power m minus 1 x of t by dt power m minus 1 plus bm into d power m x of t by dt power m, which can be written as summation k equal to 0 to n a suffix k into d power k y of t by dt power k equal to summation k equal to 0 to n m b suffix k d power k x of t by dt power k. The block diagram representation of continuous time system is divided into four types. First one is direct form 1 realization, direct form 2 realization, cascade form realization and parallel form realization. Direct form 1 realization: it is the direct implementation of differential equation or transfer function describing the system. It uses a separate integrator for input and output variable. It provides a direct relation between the time domain and S domain equation. In general, this form requires 2n delay element for both input and output signal for a filter of order n. This form is practical for small filters. Advantages: simplicity, more straightforward realization. Disadvantages: more number of integrators are used, inefficient and impractical for complex design. Direct form 2 realization: it is a direct implementation of differential equation or transfer function describing the system. Instead of using separate integrators for integrating the input and output variable separately, an intermediate variable is integrated. It provides a direct relation between time domain and S domain equations. Advantages: it uses a minimum number of integrators, straightforward realization. Disadvantages: it increases the possibility of arithmetic overflow for filters of high Q or resonance. Cascade form: in cascade form realization, the given transfer function is expressed as a product of several transfer function and each of these transfer function is realized in direct form 2, and then all these realized stretches are cascaded, that is connected in series. Parallel form realization: the given transfer function is expressed into its partial fraction and each factor is realized in direct form 2 and all those realized structures are connected in parallel. The block diagram representation of first order system described by the differential and difference equations. The basic building blocks of continuous time representation of the system is adder, which add the two input signal, that is x1 of t and x2 of t are added together and produce output. y of t is the sum of x1 of t and x2 of t. Multiplier: it multiply a constant with the input and produce output is the product of multiplication between the constant and the input signal. The delay element or integrator: here the delay element is S inverse. Quiz: the overall impulse response of two systems connected in cascade is h1 of t convolution of h2 of t. Thank you.